Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 3 different jobs that you can do at home remotely and you don't have to use a telephone at all. So these are jobs that you can start right away and you can do without having to answer calls or do none of that stuff, because I know a lot of you guys find doing phone work tedious. I found you the 3 most amazing jobs remotely to apply today. So make sure to hit that like button so we can find more people just like you right now here on the channel. So let's start with the first job. This is from the company Rev Up Sports. Looking for a social media and digital marketing coordinator. Pays up to $20 an hour. If you have experience in graphic design and developing attractive digital marketing content, this job is the one for you. Rev Up Sports is looking for someone to coordinate its digital marketing efforts. The ideal candidate will be a graphic designer experienced in developing engaging content for social media, blogs, and email marketing. You will be responsible for driving traffic to our e-commerce site through the means of content, social media posts, PPC marketing, and email marketing. The schedule is flexible, but it will overlap with some regular Eastern Standard Time business hours necessary. Needs computer with 2 screens and design software, internet access. The pay is contract labor, 30 to 40 hours per week, in between $18 to $20 an hour. The position summary: you will be designing and styling attractive blog posts. You'll be producing and writing engaging social media posts, reviewing and verifying blog content, inserting links, blog SEO, writing content for SEO, topic and keyword research for blogs, setting up Google search ads and writing ad copy, developing and maintain email marketing strategy, designs and styling marketing emails, monitor user engagement and SEO and optimize, web page design, maintain, communicate with and grow our online social platform communities, communicate with industry professionals and influencers to create a network of backlinks, identify new and engaging channels and ways to promote our products and services, brainstorm and implement new and creative growth strategies, driving positive reviews across social media platforms, other digital marketing efforts as determined. Skills: at least 3+ years of graphic design and web design, 3+ years in social media marketing, creating posts, blogs, SEO content, scheduling content, and email marketing, understanding of SEO best practices and how to incorporate those into writing, 3+ years experience in digital marketing, email marketing, and content marketing, strong verbal and written communication skills, must be highly organized and detail-oriented. This job is full-time, pays up to $20 an hour. It is Monday through Friday. And experience at least 3 years of both digital marketing and graphic design is required, and being fluent in English is required. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to have the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 2 more jobs here on this video, so stay tuned. But also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified, since we post job leads here every single day so you find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next job is from the company Expire House. They're looking for a head of social media, remote and part-time. We're seeking a head of social media to join our team. The ideal candidate is a passionate team leader and a strong visual storyteller who loves creating captivating content on social media platforms. As the head of social media for Expire House, your focus will be dual purpose. You will be in charge in all things distribution, and you'll produce and create original content for branded campaigns and brand partnerships across all Expire House social channels. Additionally, the role will be responsible for all sponsored social-related goals. The right person has experience in digital/editorial publishing, content distribution, and the ability to work independently and knowledge of the best practices for the various social media platforms. In this role, you will lead all digital daily social engagement, execute our day-to-day social media activities, and tell compelling stories across social media platforms. You will be in charge of scheduling, posting, and monitoring all sponsored and non-sponsored daily content on social media as needed, including writing, engaging social media copy. You use your creative thinking and digital know-how to craft compelling and shareable content and develop a social media content calendar, launch and moderate an Expire House blog. You work collaboratively with marketing colleagues and other departments to launch social media campaigns that will build awareness through leadership and demand for Expire House solutions. You will help build our social relationships with media, online influencers, brand partners, and both potential and existing customers. You analyze, report, and improve, undertake regular reporting of social media activities, identify goals, and measure progress, leveraging your analysis to improve our content creation and social media efforts over time. Meeting OKR objectives for sponsored social content and continually improving key sponsored content metrics. Lead sponsor content from project ideation to campaign competition with commission opportunities for overachieving campaigns. You follow and respect platforms' best practices and industry standard for branded content on social, continuously audit those best practices to make new recommendations as necessary. Qualifications: at least 2 to 5 years of relevant experience in marketing or online media, preferably in social media, digital marketing, public relations, or journalism. 1+ years of experience in social media, including strategy and content creation. Proven track record of integrating social media into broader marketing campaigns with experience running successful, high-impact, and highly engaging social media programs. Excellent communication skills in written and spoken English with an understanding of how to communicate across different digital platforms. This job is part-time, pays up to $500 per week. The schedule is a self-determined schedule and includes supplemental pay such as commission pay, and experience at least 2 years of marketing is preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to have the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. Just hold on to this video because we have one more job that we're going to discuss right here. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell with this particular channel because we're going to have job leads every single day right here so you find the best remote work from home job that's available for you. This next position is from Innovative Timing Systems. They're looking for a part-time social media manager. It pays up to $35 an hour. Our company is a world leader in the sports industry and we're headquarters in Maryland Heights, near Westport. We're a small company with about 20 employees and we've been in business since 2008. We manufacture products in numerous categories and we also publish one of the largest digital magazines in the world for athletes and over 600,000 subscribers. We need a part-time individual who will manage our Google ads, Facebook ads, and optimize our SEO and help us with web design decisions, etc. This position allows you to work remotely from home most of the time. We have a budget that is seasonal, but typically averages around $3,000 a month for Google and Facebook ads. We have 10 years of experience with ads, but we now need someone to focus on it much more. You will receive an hourly wage as well as commissions and bonuses on campaign performance. You'll help us grow and sell more products and services, and we will make sure you're sharing in that success. Here are the requirements that you must meet to apply for this position. You must have at least 10 years of experience working with ads on platforms such as Google and Facebook. You should have a deep understanding of campaign design and management on Google Ads. You must have a strong understanding of SEO and know what it takes to move up organically on search engines such as Google. You must have an experience in design, although we do typically outsource the graphics design using servers like Fiverr. You must be able to work from your own home, and you must be able to stay motivated and focused when working remotely. You will be required to provide a brief email update once a week to our CEO detailing what you'll have worked on the previous week. We don't micromanage our people, but we need visibility to what you're doing. You must have a high school diploma or GED, although a college degree is preferred if that degree relates to marketing or graphic design. You must be able to clearly communicate and write emails with proper grammar, punctuation, and spelling. You must love internet marketing and have a passion for this field. You must have a clean history since background check will be required if we offer you the position. This job is part-time, pays up to $35 an hour. It includes a flexible schedule, Monday through Friday with a self-determined schedule, and includes bonus pays such as commission pay. So if this job is the one for you, we're gonna have the link right in the description below under job number 3, so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're gonna have a bunch of different job leads right here on this channel, and all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be amongst the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.